touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body giving.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear my lecturers, Miss Shifa Fadila Hamid SPD MPD and Miss Dr. Siti Suharsi SS MPD and my fellow classmates whom I highly respect. My name is Ahmad Noval Fahrijal from class 2E with student ID number 222-325-015 and 3. Today, I will be presenting my best reading report for the extensive reading course. I chose a contemporary fantasy novel by the renowned Indonesian author Tara Lie titled Bumi, published in 2014. It is the first book in the Parallel World series, and is a novel that beautifully blends elements of science fiction and young adult adventure. The novel follows Raib, a 15-year-old girl who can disappear simply by covering her face with her hands. Her secret is discovered by her friend Sally, who can manipulate electricity, and Ali, a genius student who is often underestimated at school. The conflict begins when an evil figure named Tamus tries to kidnap Raib from inside a mirror. With the help of their teacher, Miss Helena, who turned out to be a secret agent, they escape through a portal into the Moon Clan, an adventurous world in terms of civilization and technology. There, they eventually learn that our universe actually consists of 4 parallel planes existing side by side. When Tamus tries to release a dangerous villain in his story, named the Uncrowned One, the trio unites by combining their unique sprites. Raib with her shield, Sally with her lightning, and Ali with his intellect. They successfully defeat Tamus and trap him inside a shadow prison, returning home knowing that their grand adventure has just begun. The primary strength of Bumi lies in its highly imaginative world building and smooth writing style, which is highly descriptive, allowing readers to vividly picture this parallel world. The chemistry between Raib, Sally, and Ali is also strong and entertaining, especially Ali's cynical yet genius character, which adds a touch of comedy and keeps the dialogue feeling natural. However, the weakness lies in its classy young adult Rose, an ordinary teenager discovering student powers to save the world. The power development at the end also feels a bit instant and rushed when they have to face a formidable antagonist as strong as Tamus. Nonetheless, the narrative structure from the beginning leading up to the climax had excellent pacing and highly satisfying ending that leaves a strong sense of curiosity for the second book. And personally, I deeply connect with Raib, who initially hid her powers out of fear of being seen as strange by her surroundings. It reminds me of real life, where we often hide our true potential or uniqueness just to fit in and be accepted by society's social standards. And so the most inspiring part is watching them stop feeling insecure and start to embrace their uniqueness through a solid friendship. It tells me that being different is not a flaw, but a strength if you only have the courage to achieve it. In conclusion, this extensive reading course has significantly improved my ability to analyze and evaluate complex narratives as well as identify thematic weakness. I learned how to look past a predictable plot formula to fully appreciate a piece of literature. Bumi shifted my perspective and proved that local authors can create grand fantasy world. And so in the future, I will continue to maintain a reading log to track my mind ideas and explore diverse genres, including both international classics and contemporary local works to challenge my comfort zones. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.